Salam everyone, welcome to this Quranic Arabic course where we're only focusing on Quranic Arabic. We're not delving that deep into all the Arabic grammar and rules, and a lot of you have been finding that really helpful, especially if traditional Arabic learning has not helped you understand the Quran. So if you're new to the channel, I do recommend watching the playlist 1 where we do Surah Mu'minun because that covers a lot of basics, and then you can catch up on these videos. And if you're a returning subscriber and you're finding these really helpful, you can actually support the channel by liking and commenting on these videos and sharing them with your friends and family. The more you like and comment, the more YouTube is going to share these videos with others, so you'll actually help spread these lessons, and inshallah you'll help benefit other people. So do engage with us. Thank you, and Jazakallah khair. I think let's sort of like shift focus a little bit, where when you go through a verse, try and find the ending of the phrase and try and see if you can translate the whole phrase as opposed to word by word, so that you can quicken your comprehension a little bit. So, Hiba, you're first on the camera.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله. Should I just do that like phrase by phrase?
It's like that, exactly.
So مما رزقكم الله, مما from rizq, so from what you have been provided by Allah.
Yeah. So then the beginning bit as well, like وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا.
So I know it's like when something's said to them.
So when it is said to them, it's basically
when it is said to them, أنفقوا. What's أنفقوا?
yes.
So when it is said to them something from what you have been given. So when it is like give in charity or
Donate.
yeah.
Exactly.
رزقهم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أن نطعمهم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه. قال الذين كفروا. So those who disbelieve, للذين say to those who believe, آمنوا أن نطعموا. So nut'im is from ta'am, which is food, so something about feeding or to give food. ما لو يشاء الله أطعمه. So if Allah willed, so those who disbelieve say to those who believe, so they're saying, why should we feed if Allah wanted to feed people?
So man is who? Man لو يشاء الله. So who, if Allah willed, could have fed him.
Okay. إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين. You are in you like ضلال مبين, like misled. You are clearly misled.
Yeah. Do you see how much quicker that was actually?
Yeah, instead of word by word.
Word, yeah. And then this is eventually what we have to do anyway, right? When it's being recited, you just pick out phrase by phrase and then you translate it by chunks. So that was good, really good. Okay, your turn, Ella.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين, and they said, when is this promise? Yes, when is this promise if you should be of the, like, if you're actually saying the truth.
Exactly, very good. Okay, about your turn.
أما ينظرون إلى صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون. إلى صيحة واحدة is the like the single صيحة, the single like sound, the loud sound. تأخذهم is to take. وهم يخصمون.
We haven't done this before, I think. So khisam is like someone who disputes, and yakhisimun is like while they are disputing. So they are be debating themselves. And ينظرون, it means waiting. ينظرون. But it can also mean seeing, right? ينظر.
Another. Yeah.
ينظر is to see. So maybe it's like all they're seeing is. So yes, seeing can be a waiting as well, right? Like we'll see, as in we'll wait and see, kind of like that. So yeah, but ينظرون is used in both contexts. So what this verse is saying that is that they're just awaiting a single blast that will see they are in their disputes.
Okay.
Your turn now.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون. لا يستطيعون توصية, so they will not be able to, because يستطيعون, I think it's to be able to, توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون. I'm trying to remember. توصية, I don't remember, but and it's saying the second part is and they will not be able to return to their people. يستطيعون توصية, maybe then it's like they won't be able to escape or something.
Yeah, it's like your will. I think, although I thought it was with a scene, but the here it means like a will, so it's they won't be able to make a last will. And
Something like وصية. Okay.
Yeah. So the same root. Okay, Hiba, your turn.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون. ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
There's so many words I don't know. It's because it's so poetic that it's just like in Arabic to make it rhyme and also poetic and visual. It's very different. Ajdath, maybe. Jadath.
جدث. What was that, sorry?
Graves.
Okay. إلى ربهم, so to something from their graves to their Lord.
Yeah. Yansilun, like haste, rush, basically.
Okay, quickly.
Yeah.
And then ونفخ في الصور.
So it's a phrase you will have come across a lot of times. Nafakh means to blow, right?
Okay.
And like وَنَفَخْنَا فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحٍ, we blew into him with our ruh, talking about the creation of Adam. And trumpet.
Okay.
Of his sword is like when the trumpet will be blown. But yeah, this was difficult anyway. Poetic. Alright, Noah.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا. They said, or I guess they would say, but technically it's past. So they said, yeah, ويلنا. It's sort of like very like they're shouting, like, oh, sort of like, yeah, in despair, and regret. So they basically will say, like, yeah, basically they're screaming and despair and things, and they're asking Man ba'athana, who has like waken us up, because ba'atha, I guess, is from like the same as tub'athun, like who has raised us, kind of, min marqadina, from our I guess they're saying from their graves, yeah, or from the wherever they were resting. هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون. This is what Ar-Rahman had promised, or like what Allah had, or yeah, the merciful or most merciful had promised, والصدقة, and المرسلون, and I guess the messengers were truthful or had said the truth.
Okay. So they will say, "Oh, woe to us, Yahweh Lana, who has raised us up from our place of rest. This is what was promised by." Yeah, he got a little bit. Hiba.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون. So in كانت, it was only a single sound. So صيحة واحدة, again from before. فإذا هم جميع لدينا. So جميع is when like a plural, or when like a group of people. لدينا, in front of us, or like for us. Sorry, say that again.
To us. Oh
To
yeah.
us. Okay.
With us as well.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know if my internet's bad. I don't know if for you is here breaking up a lot, because it's like breaking up so much. Like I'm only catching every other word, but it might just be my Wi-Fi.
It doesn't break for me, but sometimes, yeah, the sound kind of goes a bit quiet and then it comes back, but that's not really.
Okay, cool. Maybe it's okay. Like it's only a single blast, for them to be brought to us, and then muhtarun.
Gathered. Huddled.
Okay.
So فَإِذَا is like, and then they will be all together to us, gathered.
Gathered. Okay.
Our
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون. So on that day, لا تظلم نفس, no person, no soul, nobody will be wronged in anything. ولا تجزون, and it will not be rewarded, I guess, or well, no, تجزون, and they will not be rewarded.
from Jaza.
Yeah, they will not be rewarded except for, or with, yeah, for, I guess, what they were doing or what they did.
For you. So إِلَّا مَا كُنْتُم, except what you. And also
Okay.
Jonah, because of the ta, it means you. So you will not be rewarded except for what you did. Okay, we'll do two more, and then I was thinking we could do actually revision within the session as well to see how much we remember from Surah Yaseen. Okay.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون. Indeed, the people of Jannah اليوم في شغل. So شغل is to work. فاكهون. فاكهة. Is that from fruits?
Maybe.
So إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل. And so indeed, the people of Jannah. So is اليوم like on like
That day.
a day-to-day kind of
That
day?
Yeah.
On that day, we'll be doing work. And then I don't know if I can.
Work. No, it means that they will be busy enjoying themselves. See, shugul means any kind of work, and fakihun, maybe it's from fruit, but like they will be enjoying maybe the sweetness of,
Okay.
yeah, fakihun. And then also, I literally just realized it might actually be like not a pun, but double meaning, because it's the fruit of their labor, and not then they're then enjoying it, you know. Okay, Awa, your turn.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون. They and their spouses في شغل is like they'll be in shades.
وفي
على, what was that?
ظلال. You said شغل.
Oh, في ظلال, sorry, في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون. So they will be under shades. على الأرائك, on like couches, reclining.
Yeah, very good. So, yeah, so it's these two verses are like kind of together. So, verily that day, the companions of paradise or the people of paradise will be busy in amusement or enjoying themselves. They and their spouses will be in shade. So, araik is like thrones or couches, and muttaqi'un, sitting down. Araik, fancy chairs.